Hi everyone, my name is Ransom. Have you ever entered a formula into a cell in Excel and hit enter just for it to return the formula itself, like this? If so, the solution might be as easy as changing the formatting of the cell. More specifically, the number formatting. Now let's see if that's your solution. Before we begin, I just want to let you know I am using a concatenate formula in this example. I know I haven't gone over that formula in detail on this channel yet, but it's basically used to combine values from multiple different cells together. Also, this problem does apply to basically every formula in Excel. So honestly, when I run into this issue, this is the first thing I check for. Cell E15 should just say software snippets, but instead it's showing us the actual formula. The reason for this is if we have cell E15 highlighted, we can see that in the formatting section, it's actually just formatted as text. If your cell is formatted as text, Excel will literally take whatever you type into that cell and display it. And formatting takes precedence over the cell value. So in this situation, Excel is giving us what it thinks we want instead of what we actually want. We can fix this problem very easily by going to the Home tab of our ribbon and going to the number formatting section where our mouse currently is. There's a wide variety of formats we can choose from, but to just get rid of our problem, we're just going to choose General. Now, Excel hasn't recognized this change yet, and to fix that, we're going to click into the formula bar and just hit Enter. Now, Excel is giving us what we actually want, the formula's result. I hope this video was able to give you a quick fix to an annoying problem. If you found this video useful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.